university, going into my office. As you can see, I'm telling you, it is so cold. But because I'm running, walking, I'm actually feeling a little bit warmer. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go in to my office now and get a little bit warm because I'm freezing. Ciao, ciao. Going to the university for advisement, and this is my look for today. So I have this Frank Sato bag that was customized for me to have the foxtails, and I have this foxtails cape coat because it is cold. It is in the 30s degrees and it's gonna warm up to I think 40 or 50 degrees. So I think this will keep me warm. Let's take a look at the outfit. So I have the custom foxtail trimmed boots that goes with the foxtail cape, and the custom foxtail trimmed Italian wool hat, and the foxtail leather front saddle bag. So this is gonna be my look for today. It is cold and rainy, and I'll try and take videos when I get to the university, but for now, this is the look. Okay. This was custom made by my furrier using fox, and so yeah, I really like the look, and it keeps me warm without being too furry, because I did not feel like wearing a full length fur coat today because it's simply gonna be 30 degrees low and of course about 40 or 50 degrees high. So I think it should be suitable. I don't think I'll be freezing too much. So this is the back, the front, the back, the front, the back, the front, the back, the front. I love how it moves, okay? It is so fabulous. It's like, oh. And then there's hats. Can we take a moment? You all know I love hats. I'm originally from Africa, and the private school I went to, we always had to wear hats. So hats are my favorite things. And so this is the look. I think I'm gonna do this in slow motion such that you all can see how the foxtails move. Okay, so let me do a quick showcasing real quick and then do slow motion, and then I'm out of here. So music, hit it. for the showcasing of this look. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this look. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I hope you all enjoy the vlog. This is my look for the day to go to work. If you enjoy the vlog, smash the like button and share with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe icon here or here, depending on where you may be on your screen. And please do turn on the notifications such that you'll be notified when next I upload another vlog. So till next time I upload another vlog, you all continue to take care. You all continue to find a happy place. Kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Que merda.